In previous, we are completed 13th question. Now 14th. If B plus C, comma, C plus A, comma, A plus B are in HP, then HP series, we know that reciprocal of HP, that is AP only. First, B plus C, C plus A plus B. These are in HP. Now convert into AP. 1 by B plus C, comma, 1 by C plus A, comma, 1 by A plus B. These are in AP series. ABC are in AP series means, what is the condition? Tell me. 2B is equal to A plus C or not? Now use this formula. 2 into B means 1 into, so 1 by C plus A. This is B value, middle value. That is equal to A means 1 by B plus C. C means 1 by A plus B. Now take the LCM. 2 by C plus A, that is equal to denominator. What will come? B plus C into A plus B. Numerator, here A plus B plus here B plus C. Now take cross multiplication. 2 into B plus C into AB. B plus C into AB. Multiply that. 2 into BA or AB plus B square plus CA plus CB. I am writing BC, no problem. That is equal to, and denominator sent to right hand side, C plus A into, this is A plus 2B plus C. Just multiply and calculate, you will get the answer. So here 2AB plus 2B square plus 2CA plus 2BC, that is equal to C into A, CA, C into 2B, 2BC, C into C, C square plus A square plus 2AB plus AC. Observe the terms. Any term is going to cancel. 2BC cancel. Next, 2AB cancel. Next, CA plus AC, that is 2CA cancel. Remaining, what is there? 2B square is equal to C square plus A square. So this is in the form of like this, 2B is equal to A plus C. So therefore, we will say that A square comma B square comma C square are in AP, arithmetic progression. This is the answer. See the options. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? Third option is correct. Question number 15. What they are given, see? A comma 8 comma B are in AP. A comma 4 comma B are in GP. A comma X comma B are in HP. So here A comma 8 comma B are in AP means, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean 8 only now. Middle one is arithmetic mean. Similarly, A comma 4 comma B are in GP. Then what is geometric mean? Is 4. Similarly, A comma X comma B are in HP. Then harmonic mean, that is equal to X. but they are asking x value. What is relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean? G square is equal to AH. Here G means geometric mean, A means arithmetic mean, H means harmonic mean. What is geometric mean? 4. 4 square, that is equal to 8x. 16 is equal to 8x. Then what is x, students? 8 2s are 16. X value is 2. This is also very easy question. Still now we are discussed AP, GP, HP. This is AGP, arithmetic geometric progression, mixed with the arithmetic and geometric. So here observe that a plus d into r, a plus 2d into r square plus and so on. This series is called arithmetic geometric progression. What is A? A is first term, D is common difference, and R is common ratio. R is common ratio. So one of the students is saying that is not completed previous problem. Okay. The series is in the form of a plus d into r, a plus 2d into r square plus and so on is called an arithmetic geometric progression. With common difference is d and common ratio is r. The nth term of the geometric arithmetic geometric series is, this is the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. The series is in the form of like this. Okay, this is nth term of arithmetic geometric progression. Just copy the formula. The sum of first n terms of the arithmetic geometric progression. Sum of n terms formula. So this is the formula. A by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 2 divided by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r. This is sum of n terms in arithmetic geometric progression series formula. The sum of infinite terms of the AGP series. This is the formula. Sum of infinite series. A by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. Okay. So in this concept, problems we will discuss tomorrow.